Welcome. Today we are going to learn about lesson 8 algebraic expressions and operations on them. You know children that x plus x it is 2x. The x and x plus x it is 2x. And if it is y plus y, so total how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3y. Now if you see perimeter of a rectangle, this is a rectangle and we are taking length as L and breadth as B. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, we can write twice 2 length plus twice breadth. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So now 2 is common in both, so we can take 2 common and we can write in bracket L plus B. The meaning is same, twice into length plus twice into breadth. So we know now 3n plus t, example given if 3t, 2x plus 3y, then twice L plus b are algebraic expressions. These are all algebraic expressions. Here if you see, you can see the numbers 3n, 3t, 3n, 3t, 2x, 3y, 3t. So this here in this expression n, t, y, l, b, x are the variables. The alphabets are known as the variables. Okay, these are called variables. If we will see in the expression if 3x is given, so here 3 is the coefficient and x is the variable. So here if the expression is given 3x, means 3 is the coefficient and x is known as the variable. If now the expression if we are writing, for example if I am writing 15t, so here negative 15 is the coefficient and t is the variable. So numerical part is the coefficient and alphabet which is written in small letters are the variables. So an expression, we can see an expression in which multiplication is the only expression is called a term. Okay. So an expression in which multiplication is the only expression is called a term. This is the one important point. So an algebraic expressions may have one term or many, be the sum of several terms. Okay, either it will be only in the multiplication form, then it is known as term, and in algebraic expressions it may have one term or many term. Many be the sum of the several terms. Okay. Now for example, we will find out if term is given. For example, term, then we will write coefficient, and then we will write variables. For example, if it is given 11 mn, so here coefficient is 11 and variable is m and n. If it is given 9x square y cube, so negative 9 is the coefficient and variable is x and y. If it is given 5 by 6p, so here coefficient is 5 by 6 and variable is p. If it is given only a single letter, so where coefficient will be 1 and variable is a. So this is the term. In term, what is coefficient? The numerical part is the coefficient and alphabets are the small letter alphabets are called variables. So now we came to know the terms. Now if it is given, example, if I am taking in the algebraic expression, if it is given 4x raised to 2 minus 2y plus 5 by 6x. So here now see here, this is the first term. This is the first term. This is the second term. And this is the third term. So if you see here coefficient is 4. Here the coefficient is 2. And here if you see coefficient is 5 by 6. So here how many terms we can see in this given algebraic expression? There are 3 terms, first term, second term, third term. First term coefficient is 4, second term the coefficient is z, and third term if you see the coefficient is 5 by 6. So what we came to know? So the algebraic expression (15 minus x) has 2 terms. For example, I have taken 15 minus has 2 terms. Here the first term, is 15. 15 is a number. And the second term is, if you will see, negative x. Here the coefficient of the variable x is negative 1. So here coefficient of the variable x is negative 1. And if it is or terms which have the same variables, with the same powers are called like terms. If you see example of like terms, 2x, 5x, 2 by 3x. So here variables are same, coefficients are different. So variables having the same variables are known as the like terms, and unlike terms, they have different variables. For example, if I am taking 7xy, 9y square, if you see both the variables are different. If second one, if I am taking 8mn, 8m raised to 2 n raised to 2 and 8m raised to cube into n. So see, these are unlike terms. Like terms means they are having the same variables. Unlike means their variables are different. So like terms and unlike terms we will get in the algebraic expression. Now types of algebraic expression we will learn. So expressions are named after the number of terms they have. So if I am taking example 4x, so here if you see it has one term. So we will call as monomials. It is known as monomials. If you will take the example 2x minus 3y, so if you see here there are two terms. One means monomial, one term. If two terms, then it is binomials. And if I am taking another example, for example, a plus b plus c, here three terms are there. So it is named as trinomials. One term monomials, two terms binomials, and three terms trinomials. And more than three terms, it is known as polynomials. Example I will take. For example, if it is given a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b raised to cube. So if you see there are four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one term is known as monomials. Expressions with two terms are known as binomials. Expressions with three terms are known as trinomials, and more than three terms are named as polynomials. So now we will solve practice set 32. Here it is given, classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. So if you see here 7x, if you see 7x, it is one term. So it is monomial. Okay. Now, if you see the second one, it is given 5y minus 7z. So here there are two terms. So it is known as binomials. If you see here 1, 2, 3. So here how three terms are there. So it is known as trinomials. If you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many terms are there? 4 terms. So terms having more than 3 terms are known as polynomials. So this is what? Polynomials. If you see now fifth one, how many terms are there? 1, 2. 2 terms. So it is binomial. If you see here A means one term. So it is mono. Mono means one. Monomial. If you see 4, again it is one term. So again it is a monomials. If you see here 1, 2, 3, there are 3. 3y square minus 7y plus 5. So here 3 terms are there. So we will name as trinomials. So here we have completed practice set 32. Thank you.